Hi guys! 11:18 PM na! Iwaw Feng Shui na! Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? Thank God it's Thursday po. Friday. Yeah, Friday. Today's Thursday, tomorrow Friday. Ganun pong kabilis. And of course, with the week's lessons, experiences, of course, reality will tell us that not everything is within your control. Siyempre naman, may mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong makuha, gusto mong matapos, gusto mong maging, but actually, Friday na tomorrow, but still, no, ang layo pa, malayo. So, itong ginagawa natin sharing is a advanced information for what is to happen or not, or what to do tomorrow. After all, it's your control. So, tomorrow, kapag handaan mo, may information ka ngayon, you can tailor fit ang pwedeng gawin tomorrow. At kung pwede namang iwasan, why not? Di po ba? But again, of course, when we do the meditation, when you pray, when you manifest, it's within your control of asking from above what you really want. And what you wish for, what you pray for. Di po ba? And we're doing it now. Okay? Gusto ko happy ka and we start. Now, October 18 Friday, sabi lang may 8. Tingnan natin kung ganun kaswerte ba yung may 8. It's the Wood Rabbit enters the Initiate Officer Day. Okay, let us see. Kuya Norman, ano ba yung Initiate Officer Day mo? Okay, Doki, ito po. Ang sabi po dito, it is suitable for setting up the altar, setting the bed, seek blessings, make a donation, going to sea, medical procedures, discussion, moving house, burial, tomb repair, buying a new car, investment, submit tender, and purchases. Ano ang hindi recommended? Groundbreaking, utility services, gardening, and trading, not all good for tomorrow. But again, BFF, may mga bagay-bagay na Kuya Norman ngayon na sinabi. Naplano ko na to last week pa or 2 days ago. So what to do? Alam natin yan. I-daily chimen mo. Okay, we do that. Daily chimen. Okay. Ito po. Daily chimen. Yan. Okay. 17. O, sabi po dito. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, talikod po sa south. Hi! Aya Ariel! Good evening. See you tomorrow. Maaga tayo. Okay. And nandiyan ka pa sa hotel. Yeah. Keep safe ako yan. Kuya Ariel, see you tomorrow. Aya. Okay. So tomorrow, I would suggest, iwasan natin yung southwest backing. Kuya Ariel. Opo, BFF. Death door eh. Ang daming inauspicious structure. So, kung hindi ka man makabacking po sa certain direction, at least, huwag kang tatalikod sa southwest. Hidden danger. Flying palace, grand structure, war structure. Pangit, puro itim. No. At meron pang sickness, energy of sickness. Don't turn your back to southwest tomorrow at any cost. If you want to create opportunities, find a good medical practitioner, a good lot, house and lot, a real estate. Create health is wealth. Talikod sa north. Anything to do with finances and high caliber noble people, high in status, top-notch, talikod naman sa northeast. Heart-to-heart talk, with the aggressiveness to get what you want, talikod naman sa east. Wow! So, the question now is, Kuya Norman, anong gagamitin mo dyan? Siyempre po. Okay, let me see. Ako po, ang gagamitin ko dito po is the northwest backing na may open door, na may opportunities. After all, we want to create opportunities for tomorrow and for the week to come. Siyempre, magdi-December, kailangan natin ng, well, let's be honest with ourselves. We want to get what we want po. Lalo na magdi-December. Okay, lagyan natin ng dialogue. Let's see. Okay, dialogue natin. Script. Okay, ito po ang script. Okay. Sabi po dito, okay, again, we start with the universe, but how you address your God or your faith, you can start with that. Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize new ideas and views. By always attracting investments, career growth, and endless financial ideas, which leads me to my financial windfalls. Amen. So you can say that, BFF. Okay, tomorrow, para sa may mga importante activities, Kuya Norman, baka naman. No po. And by the way, I like, Ma'am Mandy, thank you so much for the message that you did the, kanina po, asabit natin, the super moon, 7 to 9 to 8:59 a.m. backing to north for cleansing and energizing. I'm glad that many of you did it and feel like renewed. Thank you so much. And kung meron man ako may encounter pa po, we will share it po. Okay, magandang gabi po, Brother Senior Warden Noble Joseph, sir. Kuyang, see you on Saturday, lunchtime. See you, Kuyang Joseph. Thanks for watching, Noble, sir. So, Ma'am Mandy, and for all those who did the super moon, the cleansing earlier, thank you so much. And assure you, days to come, mag-share tayo. But, of course, like and share naman. Like and share, Kuyang Joseph. BFF. Like and share naman po tayo. Okay. Let's check the, Kuyang Ariel, like and share. The hourly Chimen. Po, sa mga gusto ng Green Dragon, Flying Bird, and Jade Maiden watching the door. Meron ba niyang Kuya Norman sa isang 18th? Okay, let's see. Opo. Okay. Okay, ito po. From 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m., backing to north, Green Dragon returns. Wow. 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m., Green Dragon, number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen. Jade Maiden watching the door naman, talikod naman sa south, same time. Uy, we have to do it kasi ang susunod na po is 5 p.m. na. Talikod sa southwest, which we don't want. Huwag na natin gawin to. And by 7 p.m. to 8:59 p.m., Green Dragon returns, talikod ulit sa north. Ito maganda po ito. Then Flying Bird to Cave, same time, talikod naman sa northeast. So, 7 p.m. to 8:59, north talikod, Green Dragon, and then northeast talikod naman. This is for the Flying Bird fall into cave. Yeah, there you have it, BFF. Ano po? Okay. So, let us see. What else? Tingnan po natin, yung pong mga animal signs. Okay. Mangbanggit po tayo ng ilang animal signs. Okay. So, nabanggit ko na po yung horse. So, tingnan naman natin yung goat. Goat, pinanganakan ng 1979 plus minus 12 years. Pinanganakan ng July plus minus 5 days. Or, pinanganakan ng 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. Ikaw ay goat. May goat sign ka. So, sabi dito, ang goat po ay may noble sage. Tapos nakalagay dito, goat, careful with whom you hang out, O why? It may create negative humor, negative news, rumors. Hi to Ma'am Jenaline. Good evening po. Misinformation. Ito po, may easily offend people. So, careful ka, goat. Prone to injury, accidents, and potential. Ito rin po, yun, ang ating wifi. Ayun ko po, masyadong windy or it's raining outside. Okay, so meron din po rito, potential